I'm going to be facilitating the classroom plan section of this session. Looking at page 7, the middle of page 7, starting at the classroom plan. I'm going to do the setup and then the 5-minute introduction of the gallery walk. All right, team, we've done a lot of talking over the past couple of days about ways that we have felt engaged and inspired in the classrooms that we've sat in. And so now it's time for us to put in some work to actually begin to plan out how we're going to do that in our own classrooms. We're going to use a classroom plan to do this, and this is going to be something that we come back to over throughout the summer to really guide our classrooms into a place of productive and welcoming learning environments for our students. If you look at your classroom plan, you notice that it has several parts, and so I'm going to go through several of those elements right now, and then a few of them we will touch on in a separate session called the Starting 7 on Thursday. So your classroom plan has your rules. Thinking back to our own classrooms as students, all of our teachers had rules that help to guide and make sure that learning was consistent each day. Then you have your positive recognition system. Maybe you have class points, or you have some type of reward that students are working up towards. Then the third thing in your classroom plan is your strategy for re-engaging learners. Sometimes there are going to be days when students are not as excited as you are to be in class, and so how are you going to get them back into the fold of the lesson? And when you think about re-engaging learners, we do want to specifically focus in on your consequence hierarchy. How are you going to be tracking and documenting consequences for students? Also thinking through what are my policies and procedures, and then my classroom arrangement. How are my desks going to be set up in the classroom? Those latter two things we will focus in on Thursday. So let's all take out our classroom plan template. You can find the link folder on the PowerPoint. I'll give you about a minute to pull that up. Also, so to kind of get us moving and really thinking through these things and help us to eternalize the classroom plan, we're going to engage in an activity called the gallery walk. We'll do this a lot during the summer, and also it's something that you can use in your own classrooms to get students up and moving and talking about like the material. So in this gallery walk, you're going to need a couple of materials. One, you're going to need an actual copy of your classroom plan template, something that you can write and annotate ideas with, and then you'll need a partner. But we're going to actually split out into groups of 5, so we'll come back to that. If you look around the room, you'll see 5 posters. Each poster is labeled with a different part of the classroom plan. And so with your group, you're going to start at a poster. You might start at positive recognition systems, and you're going to read the element of that classroom plan. You're going to read the element of that classroom plan and annotate ideas and questions that you have. Take a moment to really think through and make connections between experiences that you've had, but also to like different things that you're seeing in the core practice primer. Right? After you've had a moment to internalize that, then with your group, you're going to take an additional 2 minutes to synthesize your understanding into 140 words for you. What is a friendly way that I can summarize this to explain what I've just learned? Then at the end of 5 minutes, you're going to move to another poster and repeat this process. As you go through each poster, you might begin to see some connections, and that's awesome. I'm going to ask us to share out at the end, so be ready to like talk through those connections that you notice with your small group, whole group at the end of our time together. All right, so we're going to number off 1 to 5, and then once everyone has a number, we're going to take 30 seconds to go to our posters. If you look around the room, each poster is numbered. So positive recognition systems is number 1. Strategies for sustaining engagement is number 2. Rules is number 3. Consequence system is number 4. And then core practice is number 5.